Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the default output audio device for Microsoft Surface Pro 9. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start button, then head on to the settings. Now enter the system and then sound. Right here you can see your default output device. For me it's Realtek High Definition Audio. But if you want to change it, then simply show up this list and you will see all of the devices that are currently connected with your tablet and that can work as your speakers. And simply change it and click on it just like that. And here you will see the default device somewhere around there and you can allow it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.